Good afternoon, folks. My name is Michael Mara. I'm coming to you from MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. Today I'm going to take you on a brand new 2019 Sea Ray 210 SPX. Hop aboard. So we're going to have a port side entry on this boat. And as you walk in, you're going to notice the entry ladder right down the port side. Okay. You have a nice storage compartment here as well as here underneath your feet. And speaking of storage, let me show you what we got going on back here. So you have a seat that folds up. All right, so when you're anchored up or at a beach, you can sit back and relax. But check this out. Look at the amount of storage in this 21-foot bow rider. It's huge. You can put all your life jackets, and there's my arm, life jackets, inflatables, whatever you want to fit inside of here will work. A lot of storage right there. So, coming forward, again, for the 21-foot boat, look at the amount of seating. You can sit 6 people back here, no problem. Captain seat swivels and bolsters. Passenger seat is fixed, but it also does bolster, okay? You have a lot of storage underneath my feet here as well. Coming forward, you'll see our digital controls, push button start, all your trim, everything is right here, okay? Tilt wheel, simplistic switches and gauges, so you have your bilge, your key, nav lights, anchor lights, and courtesy lights. Okay? So you'll have your tachometer here, this is your fuel gauge and your trim. But here you have a little navigational unit. It's a 5-inch screen made by Simrad, and everything's touchscreen. Okay? This thing boots up and actual same functionality as your smartphone. All right? So over here we have a glove box. A lot of storage underneath this area here. You can put a ton in here. I'm sorry, one more thing on the helm I forgot to mention is this Fusion stereo system. It has a great sound system as well on this little boat. So I want to let the camera go forward. You can see the amount of seating again up here. You can sit 4 adults up here. You can sit 2 people with their feet forward and 1 facing aft. There's a lot of comfort to be set up here. You have all the speakers and your handrails. So I hope you enjoyed our tour of our Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us at any time at 609-926-0600. Have a great day. We'll see you on the water.